increased endurance, improved balance, and higher calorie burn are just a few of the many benefits of elliptical training. But there's much more to it than that. In this video, I'll dive into what happens to your body if you commit to using the elliptical machine for just 30 minutes every day. Stick around until the end. It's going to be insightful and motivating. Let's get started. The elliptical trainer, often referred to as the Orbitrack, is one of the most popular pieces of cardio equipment in fitness centers. It's also a fantastic choice for home workouts. Why is this machine so popular? The elliptical trainer is safer than a treadmill, more versatile than a stepper, and more effective than an exercise bike. It's a compact unit that can fit in the corner of your room while delivering a full-body workout without straining your joints. What makes elliptical training special? 1. Low impact on joints. Unlike running or other high-impact exercises, the elliptical is gentle on your knees, ankles, and hips. Since your feet never leave the pedals, the stress on your joints is significantly reduced. This makes it a great option for people with arthritis, joint pain, or past injuries who still want an effective cardiovascular workout. 2. Engages the whole body. The elliptical trainer is one of the few cardio machines that work both the upper and lower body simultaneously. By moving the handlebars in sync with your legs, you engage muscles in your arms, chest, back, and core. Done correctly, it can tone your glutes, hamstrings, quads, biceps, triceps, and abdominal muscles all in one session. 3. Customizable resistance and incline. You can adjust the resistance level and incline of the pedals to target specific muscles. For instance, increase the incline to emphasize your hamstrings and glutes. Lower the incline to focus on your quads. This versatility makes the elliptical an excellent choice for toning and strengthening your legs. 4. Boosts cardiovascular health. Elliptical training is a powerful aerobic exercise that strengthens your heart and lungs. It increases blood circulation, improves oxygen delivery to your muscles, and enhances overall cardiovascular health. Regular use can also help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 5. Burns calories efficiently. If you're aiming to lose weight or maintain a healthy one, the elliptical is your ally. Depending on your weight and workout intensity, you can burn anywhere from 250 to 400 calories in just 30 minutes. Pairing this with a healthy diet can significantly aid in achieving your weight loss goals. 6. Improves balance and core strength. By letting go of the handlebars and standing upright during your workout, you engage your core muscles and improve your sense of balance. This can translate to better posture and stability in your daily activities. 7. Supports recovery after injury. If you're recovering from an injury, elliptical workouts are an excellent way to maintain your fitness. The low-impact nature of the machine minimizes strain on injured areas, while still providing a challenging cardiovascular workout. It also helps restore range of motion and strengthens muscles around the injury site. Other notable benefits: increases endurance. Regular use trains your heart and lungs to perform better under exertion, boosting your stamina for other activities. Convenient for home use, compact and versatile, elliptical trainers are ideal for small spaces, allowing you to work out whenever it suits you. Versatility in workouts. Whether you prefer high-intensity interval training, HIIT, or steady-state cardio, the elliptical is adaptable to your fitness needs. Elliptical training isn't just about burning calories, it's a full-spectrum workout that improves your physical health, strengthens your muscles, and keeps your joints safe. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, the elliptical trainer offers something for everyone. Be sure to check out other videos on this channel for more tips on health and fitness. Links are on the screen now. Let's continue this journey to better health together. See you soon. Thanks for watching.